Open the packaging box. Remove the vehicle. Remove the protective foam paper. Open the accessory box. There is a vehicle manual inside. Idle. Toolkit. Strapping tape. Logo sticker. Charger. Rear seat pedal. Front fender. Front wheel. Unscrew the stem cap screw and remove it. Install the handlebars. Tighten the stem cap screws. Locking the handlebars. Adjust the angle of the handlebar and tighten the screws. Remove the front fork protection rod. Remove the nuts and washers on both sides of the front wheel. Align the front fork with the hub shaft. Align the stop plate with the reserve hole. Install the gasket and nut. Tighten with